Hey, what's up guys, this is Adrika Vatari from Extra Code YouTube channel. So friends, in today's video, we're gonna learn about escape sequences. So here, I will make a new file, tut5.py. Okay, so, so guys, when we write strings, sometimes two characters combine to form one character. Suppose, if we make a variable text equals to hey, what's up? Okay, so here as you can see there is an error, right? It is indicating an error. So guys, as you can see that I have quoted this sentence in single quotes, right? So if there is a starting quote, there should be an ending quote, or else it will throw an error. Okay, and if there's an ending quote, there should be a starting quote. Okay, so why is it throwing an error here? Because it is considering this single quote as the end of this single quote, and for this single quote there isn't any single quote. That's why it is throwing an error. So for this we have to do this, and if we print it right here, print text. Okay, so you will see that the apostrophe has been removed, right? That means this isn't the right way to do this. Okay, so what will we do? We will put a backslash here. We will put a backslash here. As you can see, the backslash and the single quote is highlighting in yellow color, right? So now if we run it, you can see it is working properly, right? So guys, in Python, backslash and quote will be converted into single quote. Backslash and single quote will be converted into single quote, and suppose if we write here double quote, if we use double quote here, see it is giving a double quote, right? So like this, if we use backslash with double quote, with a double quote, it will be converted into double quote. Okay, so hope this is clear. Okay, now sometimes we write path, right? So if I make a variable path here, and if we pass the directory D, and in D directory I have a folder called new. Okay, I'm giving the path of new folder here, and if I print the path, see in this it is printing D in one line and the letters EW in next line, and the word and the letter backslash and N is removed. It isn't there, right? As you can see, only D colon and letter EW is there. So what is it doing here? In Python, backslash N is used for new line. So if we write backslash N, so if we write backslash N in a string, it will make a new line there. So what is it doing here? It is printing D colon and then backslash new, as you know, is for new line. It is giving a new line here and then it is printing EW. That's why here, wait a second guys, let me run it again. Okay, that's why it is giving here D, and then in new line it is giving EW. Okay, now if I have a folder, or we can say file, test.py. Okay, suppose we have a file test.py in my D directory. So when we will run it, as you can see, there's a tab. There's a tab between D directory and est.py. That means \t stands for tab, stands for a tab. Okay, so now what do we have to do here? If you write it like this, if you put double backslash here, it will work properly. See, it is working properly right here. And with new also, suppose you have written new here, it will work properly. See, it is working properly. So guys, in Python, double backslash stands for single backslash. Double backslash converts into single backslash. Okay, and just like this, if you want to print two backslash, what will you do? Suppose if you write here two backslash, so it is printing one backslash. So for two backslash, you have to write like this. You have to print four backslash. See, now it is giving two backslash here, right? So to print two backslash, you have to print four backslash. Okay, this will print two backslash. Okay, that means the number of backslashes you want to print, you have to write double number of backslashes. Okay, so these are only some of the escape sequences. There are many more escape sequences. You can search it on Google, escape sequences in Python, and you will get a list of escape sequences. Okay, so now suppose if we have a folder called background, right? So see, it is giving background here, right? So what is it doing? \b is used to give a backspace. So when we have used it here, so what is it doing? It is removing the colon. It is removing the colon from here, and \d will automatically remove after doing its work. So the colon is removed, and \b is obviously it will remove after doing its work. So that's why it is giving here background here. Okay, so \b isn't that much used, but it is just a escape sequence, so I have to tell you that. So as I told you that if you want to see more escape sequences, just go to Google and type escape sequences in Python. You will get a list of those escape sequences. So thank you for being with me till the end of the session. See you soon in my next video, guys.